What if you could have a professional AI spokesperson deliver your videos? No camera, no script memorization, no complicated editing, and it still looked polished. That's what HEYGEN helps you do. You write the words, pick an avatar, and voice, then generate a talking head video. A local business may need a video for its website. A coach may need a welcome video. A YouTuber may want to reach viewers in Spanish. Or maybe you want to build a channel without putting your face on camera. Normally, that means filming, lights, microphones, retakes, and editing. Here, you turn written words into a useful video much faster. The message still needs to be clear. That is the skill you're selling. In this video, I'll show you what HEYGEN is, 3 ways to earn with it, how to make a client explainer, and a 5-day plan to find your first client this week. Welcome back to AI Hustle Lab. This channel is about useful AI and SaaS tools that can help students build practical skills and earn online. We keep it practical here. Tools, workflows, pricing, and realistic next steps. No hype. Let's get into it. What is HEYGEN? HEYGEN is an AI video platform that creates avatar videos from text. You type a script, choose an avatar, select a voice, and generate a talking head video. You can use a stock avatar, add basic branding and captions, and create scenes around the message. It can work for marketing, training, product demos, onboarding, internal updates, and explainer videos. The opportunity for a beginner is simple. You are not selling a huge production studio. You are selling a clear script, a clean avatar video, and fast delivery. Think about a dog groomer that needs a 60-second "What happens at your first appointment" video. Or a bookkeeping service that needs to explain its monthly package, or a fitness coach that needs a welcome video for new leads. These are communication problems, not movie projects. One important rule: only use scripts, voices, videos, and likenesses that you have permission to use. Never clone someone's voice, use their face, or translate their content without approval. The tool is useful. Use it responsibly. HEYGEN versus the alternatives. You'll also hear about Synthesia and DID. Both are legitimate tools and each fits certain projects. Synthesia is widely used for polished business and training videos. It suits companies that need a formal enterprise-style workflow, but can feel business-heavy for a first sample. DID is known for animating a still image. That can work for creative experiments or an approved client photo, but it may not have the same spokesperson feel as a purpose-built avatar. For most beginners, HEYGEN is usually the easiest start. Script, avatar, voice, scenes, generate. Its free access or trial is often more useful for making samples before committing. Check current limits and plan terms. Its stock avatars also work well for small business explainers. HEYGEN won't win every project. If a client uses Synthesia, work in their system. If they need a photo animated, DID may fit. Deliver the right video at a clear price. Method number 1. Explainer videos for small businesses. Method number 1 is creating marketing and explainer videos for small businesses. Most small businesses need a simple product or service explainer, but they don't have the time, confidence, or budget for traditional video production. You take their message and turn it into a 60-second or 2-minute video for a website, email list, or social media.
Focus on businesses with a process customers don't understand right away. Tutors, realtors, cleaning services, dentists, repair shops, and tax preparers. A tutoring center could open with, "Homework is turning into a nightly argument." Then explain a free assessment, a personalized plan, and one-on-one support, ending with, "Book your free assessment." It answers a common question and tells visitors what to do next. Beginners can charge around $150 to $400 for a basic 1 to 2 minute explainer. The lower end might include one avatar, a short script, captions, and one revision. The higher end can include custom scripting, logo placement, brand colors, several scenes, and vertical plus horizontal formats. Don't pitch AI videos. Pitch the outcome. I can turn your most common customer question into a clear 90-second website video. That is much easier for a business owner to understand. Method number 2 is translating and dubbing existing YouTube videos for creators. A creator may have useful videos in English, but viewers in Spanish, Portuguese, or Hindi may not be able to follow them. With the creator's written permission, you can help make an another language version. Start with one video that already performs well. Ask which language to test, whether captions are included, and where it will be published. A paid pilot is easier to sell than a giant package. For a 10-minute budgeting video, you might create a Spanish version, check financial terms, add captions, and ensure the worksheet link and call to action still work. You're checking names, numbers, brand terms, pronunciation, and captions, not just clicking translate. Charge by finished minute for straightforward work, around $15 to $30 per minute. That puts a 10-minute video around $150 to $300. Quote separately for script cleanup, human translation review, extra languages, or custom caption work. Finding your first client this week. Here's a simple 5-day plan. The goal is to create proof, make one clear offer, and start real conversations before you feel perfectly ready. Day 1, build 2 samples. Pick 2 business types you understand, maybe a local gym and a bookkeeping service. Make 2 45 to 60-second demos. Use a made-up business name or mark them clearly as demos. Make the idea specific, how your first gym session works, and what monthly bookkeeping includes. Generic samples don't sell. Specific ones do. Upload them to Google Drive or make them unlisted on YouTube. Day 2, write your Fiverr gig. Keep it focused. Not, I will make any AI video. Try, I will create a 60-second AI avatar explainer video for your small business. Show your 2 samples. State what is included. Up to 150 words, 1 avatar, captions, 1 revision, and 5-day delivery. Create 3 packages with clear lengths and prices. Day 3, send 5 LinkedIn messages. Find business owners, coaches, or founders with a clear service but no explainer video. Personalize every message. Use this template. Hi Maya, I saw you help first-time home buyers in Austin. I had an idea for a 60-second website video explaining your first consultation. I make simple avatar explainers for small businesses. Want me to send a sample? It's short, specific, and asks permission before a link. Day 4, follow up. Send 1 simple message to non-responders. Hi Maya, just circling back. I can send the sample idea here if a first consultation video would be useful. 1 follow-up is enough. Don't chase people.
Day 5, refine. If people ask about price, make your packages clearer. If they ask for examples, strengthen your samples. If nobody responds, make the opening line more personal or the offer more specific. 5 messages are a test, not a verdict on your future. Method 3, your own Faceless YouTube channel. Instead of only screen recordings, use a HEYGEN avatar for introductions, explanations, or transitions. A study tools channel could open with a 15-second avatar intro, cut to a screen demo, then return for the summary. But an avatar does not create watch time. You still need a clear topic, a useful first 30 seconds, good examples, and clean pacing. Avoid generic AI-made videos with no point of view. Pick a clear audience and repeatable format, such as study tools for college students, software tutorials for freelancers, or basic money skills for people in their first job. For faster income, client work is usually a better first move. A client can pay after 1 finished project. A channel may take months to build. You can do both, just don't depend on ad revenue while you need portfolio proof and cash flow. Step by step, create a client explainer video. Step 1. Sign up and make samples before buying anything. Use free access or a trial to learn. Make 2 or 3 samples and time yourself. Buy a paid plan when a client project justifies it. Step 2. Get the client's raw information. Ask 4 questions. Who is the customer? What problem do they have? How does the business solve it? What should the viewer do next? Also get the website, logo, brand colors, exact offer, and words that need careful pronunciation. Step 3. Write a tight script. Aim for roughly 260 to 300 words for 2 minutes. Use a simple structure: problem, solution, benefits, call to action. Clear beats clever. For example, moving is stressful. Our weekly meal delivery gives busy families fresh dinners without grocery store trips. Choose meals online, pick a delivery day, and heat dinner in minutes. Read it aloud. If it sounds awkward, simplify it. Step 4. Choose the avatar and voice. Match them to the audience and brand. A family tutoring business may need a warm, calm voice. A software startup may want a confident, direct voice. Pick what feels believable for the message, not just what looks flashy. Step 5. Generate and check the full video. Keep every scene focused on one idea. Use the logo, a simple background, and readable captions. Then watch it all before sending. Check names, prices, URLs, pronunciation, captions, and the call to action. Watch once with sound and once muted. Step 6. Set revisions and deliver professionally. Offer one revision round by default. State it before you begin. Small text, timing, or branding changes are included. A new script or new direction is a paid add-on. Export an MP4 and deliver a 916 version if that is in the package. Name the files clearly. Common mistakes beginners make. Here are 5 mistakes that slow people down. Mistake 1. Buying the paid plan before having a client. A subscription is not motivation in a box. Quick fix: use free access to make samples and then let your first project cover the tool cost. Mistake 2. Making samples that are too generic. Welcome to our amazing business proves nothing. Quick fix: make a specific demo like a dentist's new patient process or a coach's discovery call invitation.
Mistake 3. Underpricing because of imposter syndrome. At $30 for a 2-minute video, messages and revisions can destroy your hourly rate. Quick fix: begin with a clear $150 entry package and limit what it includes. Mistake 4. Not setting clear revision limits. Open-ended scope can turn one project into endless changes. Quick fix: include one revision round and price extra rounds before work begins. Mistake 5. Waiting for perfection before outreach. Your first sample won't be your best work. Quick fix: make 2 solid samples, send 5 personal messages, and then improve using real feedback. Pricing and where to find clients. Fiverr is a good start because buyers are already looking for help. Create one focused listing with samples and state length, word limit, revisions, delivery time, and format. Offer $150 for 60 seconds, $225 for 90 seconds with basic branding, and $300 for 2 minutes plus a vertical version. Charge extra for script writing, rush delivery, extra formats, or languages. LinkedIn works for business owners, coaches, and startups. Find a specific place a video would help, then send a short personal pitch. YouTube creators are another target. Look for channels with useful back catalogs and viewers asking for other languages. Offer a single paid pilot first. Your price covers more than a button click. It covers research, scripting, messages, rendering, revisions, and a final video the client can actually use. Honest note in realistic earnings. HEYGEN free access is limited, and paid plans have often started around $29 per month. Prices and features can change, so check the current plan before you quote a job. One $50 project can cover a basic monthly tool cost. A realistic early target is 3 to 5 clients per month at $150 to $300 each, roughly $450 to $1,500 part-time. It takes outreach, clear offers, and reliable delivery, but it is a reasonable early goal. How to scale to $3,000 per month. Once you have 3 to 5 happy clients, scaling is about making the service repeatable. First, ask each happy client for one referral. If you know another business owner who needs a clear website or social video, I'd appreciate an introduction. Warm introductions are easier than cold messages. Then raise new client prices once delivery is consistent. If your $150 package fills quickly,
Move it to $200 or $250. Next, add retainers. Offer 4 30 to 60-second videos each month for $300. Those can be FAQs, social clips, product tips, or weekly updates. Retainers make your income more predictable and reduce the time spent hunting for new work. As volume grows, hire a Fiverr script writer for first drafts. Give them your client question form, an example script, and your structure. You still review the work, create the video, and manage the client, but you don't start from a blank page every time. Here's the math. 8 clients times $300 equals $2,400. Add 2 retainers times $300 per month equals $600. That equals $3,000 per month. The goal is a small, reliable system, clear offers, templates, referrals, simple packages, and firm boundaries. Outro and CTA. Your move this week is simple. Make one specific explainer, not a generic demo. Pick a business category, write a 60-second script, and finish it. Then follow the 5-day plan. 2 samples, 1 focused Fiverr gig, 5 personal LinkedIn messages, 1 follow-up, and 1 improvement round. Comment HEYGEN if you want the client pitch script. And subscribe to AI Hustle Lab for more practical AI tools, simple workflows, and online skill ideas.